5.3 School Rules 1880 1.
Boys and girls had to enter the school through different doors.
2.
Children had to call teachers sir or ma'am.
3.
Children weren't allowed to ask questions.
4.
The children had to stand up to answer questions.
5.
Children didn't have to do any sports.
6.
In the afternoon, boys had to do woodwork while girls had to do cooking and needlework.
7.
Children weren't allowed to use their left hand for writing.
8.
Female teachers weren't allowed to get married.
Part 2
You had a very normal childhood and upbringing.
Yeah, I was born in the city of Bradford, and that's quite an industrial city, and from working class parents where we were expected to leave school. I left at 15, just before my 16th birthday, and then we had to go get a job and bring income into the house. That's what we did. And that's what I did. And as a child, I had 4 older brothers, so we were always getting up to mischief. But as soon as I grew up, I took a normal job. I was in a bank, and I thought I would have children. The height of my ambition was to go back to the bank and progress to be a manager. And that was all my expectations were, up until I saw a newspaper advert. And it changed my whole world and perception and life.
Legendary climber Joe Simpson was, like you, the last of 5 children. And he talks about how, as a child, you were always seeking to find your niche in a family and in life. And as the 5th, all of those niches have already been taken, and you have to work even harder to try and impose your character. And he says that that's pretty much fundamental to how he got into becoming an explorer, an adventurer, and a climber. Do you think that that had any kind of formative part in your life?
Absolutely, but I would say possibly slightly different in I was the 5th, but I was the only girl, so I had 4 brothers. So my psyche was, I never felt I was good enough or big enough or strong enough because I've got these boys who are running around, and I come from the kind of background where girls really weren't expected to be boys. And so I found that I was fighting because I wanted to be one of them. I wanted to be able to go and play football and climb the trees. And so I did. And you can guarantee if my older brother said, there's a really high tree there, who's going to do it? I'd be up there first. Not because I could or because I wanted to, because I wanted to prove myself to them. And just through doing that, I guess I became more daring, took more risks, and then found the joy of getting to the top of the tree and, wow, look what I've done. Especially if they couldn't do it, that was even better. So certainly I think being the last, you're always trying to prove yourself to your older siblings.
What do you think it is that's special about you that allows you to do the things you do?
Nothing more than stubbornness and bloody mindedness. I haven't got any special qualities. I'm fairly intelligent, but I'm not a genius. I'm not stronger than anybody else. I am able to face my fears, and I'm able to put myself into difficulties and just keep going.
.8 1.
What time does the train to Heathrow leave?
13:45.
2.
How far is it from London to the Bahamas?
4,342 miles.
3.
How long is the flight?
9.5 hours.
4.
How much is a return ticket?
£1,171.
5.
What's your credit card number?
6356 5055 5137 9904.
6.
What's the expiry date?
0724.
7.
How much does your suitcase weigh?
21 kilos.
8.
What's your mobile number?
07700 900 834.
9.
What's the VAT rate in the Bahamas?
7.5%.
10.
What's the average temperature?
Between 24 and 29 degrees centigrade.
Six 6.9.
Good morning. Where are you flying to?
The Bahamas, Nassau, flight 860.
Okay, how many bags are you checking in?
Just the one?
Put it on the scales, please. I'm afraid that's over the weight limit, sir.
By how much?
Rather a lot, I'm afraid. It's 29.5 kilos, and you're only allowed 23. It means we have to charge an excess baggage fee of $75. That's 52 pounds.
What? That's the same as paying for an extra bag, isn't it?
No, a second bag would be $125. 87 pounds.
Whoa, that's steep. Well, I guess I'll just have to pay the charge then.
Sorry about that, sir. You can pay at the service desk over there, and, do you have carry-on luggage?
Yes, just this one.
I'm afraid that's going to be a problem too, sir. It's above the size restrictions.
What?
It won't go in the baggage check. It needs to be 55 by 35 centimeters. This will have to go in the hold.
Oh, no, I'm not paying another $125 for another bag.
Don't worry, sir. I won't charge you for that one.
Oh, well, thank you.
Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is 17A, and it'll start boarding at 11:35. Your seat number is 50C.
Thank you.
Oh, it's just come up on my screen. That flight's been delayed by 1.5 hours. You'll be boarding at 1:05 now. I am sorry.
It's just not my day, is it?